Second question, draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 centimeters away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. That is, we have to draw a line L on that line L. We have to take a point on, and passing through that point we have to make a perpendicular line, and on that perpendicular line 4 centimeter away from L we have to take a point, and from that point, passing from that point, we have to draw a line M which is parallel to L. So let's start with the first step. First step, draw a line L, take a point P on it, draw perpendicular passing through point P. That is, we draw a line and name that line as L. On this line L, take a point P, and from this point P we have to draw a perpendicular line. So we draw a perpendicular line passing through point P like this. So this is a line perpendicular to L. Next step, now adjust the compass up to the length of 4 centimeters. Draw an arc to intersect this perpendicular at point X. Choose any point Y on line L and join X to Y. That is, we have to take 4 centimeters on this line, and we have to adjust the compass length to 4 centimeter and draw an arc to intersect this perpendicular line. So we draw an we adjust the compass length to 4 centimeter and draw an arc like this at a distance of 4 centimeters, and this point is X. Now take a point Y on line L. So take any point, let's say this is the point Y on line L, and join X to Y. So we join X to Y. Next step, taking Y as center, with a convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting L at A and XY at B. That is, take any convenient radius and take Y as center, draw an arc which will intersect L at A. So this point will be A, and XY at B. So this point will be B. Next step, taking X as center with the same radius as above, draw an arc CD cutting XY at E. Adjust the compass up to the length of AB. So taking X as center, and same radius as above. Same radius means the radius we took here, this radius, we have to draw an arc CD cutting XY at E. So taking X as center and this radius, we draw an arc like this which will intersect XY at E, and this arc is CD. Now next step, without changing the opening of compass, okay, we have to adjust the compass up to the length of AB also. That is this length AB. We have to adjust the compass up to the length of AB, and without changing the opening of compass, taking E as center, draw an arc to intersect previously drawn CD at F. That is, we have to make an arc, draw an arc taking E as center with radius as AB, and draw an arc, intersecting arc CD. So we draw an arc like this. Last step, join the points X and F to draw a line M. That line M is the required line which is parallel to L. Now we have to draw a line passing through this point F and X, and that line will be parallel to L. So we draw a line passing through F and X. So we draw a line passing through F and X like this. And this line is required line M, which is parallel to L.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.